Okay, welcome again, our viewers, to today's episode. Today we are going to prepare a delicious meal because we have a few guests and they like black beans. So we have to prepare black beans and meat. So here, let us begin from this side. Here we have our beautiful grated carrots. We also have some potatoes, which are going to be mixed with the black beans. You can see they are very good. And we also have garlic here and some Robo cubes. As I said, with this channel, we don't like using a lot of spices because we have little children and they also want to eat. We have onions here, we have the cooking oil, we have the coriander, which is dhania, we have tomatoes there, tomatoes or tomatoes, the way you call them. We have here the pilipili hoho. Then here in this pot we have meat. It is really boiled meat. It is 1 kg. And now we'll prepare the meat alone, and we are going to prepare the black beans together with the potatoes, so that it is a stew that is going to eat chapati. Okay, now we have our oil in the pot. As you can see, we are going to put in our onions. They are already prepared. And since we are cooking two stews, I'm going to put just a little bit. The other one is from the other stew. Now we have to put in our garlic just before it turns brown. We are going to put in our potatoes. I like putting them. This time, when the potatoes are there, we are going to put in our salt. We can also put in our Royco cube, and I believe one is enough for us. We stir our mixture. We're going to put in our ojos. We'll put everything together. Now we reduce the heat. We reduce the heat a little bit. Mixing tomatoes. Now at this point, I can put in my black beans. I told you we have visitors, that's why you can see it is a lot. just put salt to taste.